There it goes. Okay, so the first one, I might as well do the real pen. Yeah, I'll do the real pen. Okay, so the first one we're going to do looks like this, and you've already actually done it. You have actually already worked with fractions a little bit earlier this semester. So take a look at this one and give it a try. 35x to the third y squared over 21x to the first y to the fifth. And here's what we remember that we do, right? When you don't have any pluses or minuses in your problem, no pluses and minuses, you just reduce the big numbers and cancel out the exponents, right? You just cancel out the letters and subtract your exponents. So you know how to do this one. Give it a try on your desk or on your yellow paper, and then I'm going to go through it with you. And you should be looking at this again. I kind of remember that, right? So reduce the big numbers. Here are the big numbers. We're going to reduce the big numbers. And then remember what we do here. We subtract the little numbers.
Why are you using a calculator?
Don't mock her. So here's what we're going to do. We need a number that goes into 35 and into 21. What's the number that goes into both of those? 7 does, sure. So we're going to divide this by 7 and divide this by 7. So here's what we're going to get. We're going to get 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom. Those are our big numbers. And now we're going to deal with our exponents. So I've got 3 and I've got 1. So once I do my canceling, I'm going to have how many x's left over, and where will they be? 2 x's on the top or on the bottom, Christina? On the top. Beautiful. Excellent job. How about the y's? I got 5 and I got 2, and once I cancel everything out, how many will be left, and where will they live? 3y on the bottom. So good. So good. Here's what I want you to think about. I want you to think about that these guys and girls are all a bunch of weird single people all crammed together. And you know what? They're all just multiplying here like single numbers do because they're kind of trampy. And when we do that, we cancel single people with matching single people, right? We do the x's with the x's. We do the y's with the y's. We do the big numbers with the big numbers. Single people cancel with single people, right? And you're thinking, why are you making a deal out of that? And that's because tonight we add in married people. So we're going to talk about what happens when we have married people. And let me show you what married people look like. Married people look like this. X plus 5 is a married couple. In math, this is weird. We feel like, at least I do, that multiplication is stronger than adding and subtracting. But it's really not. You can cancel 2 things that are multiplied together really easily. But a plus sign or a minus sign is really, really a strong connection. And those guys are attached together like a married couple. And the deal is this. We're going to cancel married couples, but only with another matching married couple, right? So if you found out that I'm married to my husband, Joe, and I'm married to Chris Hemsworth, because I am, you can't cancel Chris and Joe. Yes, they look freakishly similar, but like I don't, you totally do, honey, I love you. But you can't cancel them. So here's what I want you to watch. You're going to put your pencils down and just watch this for a second. Does everyone agree that 7 over 11 cannot be reduced? Is there a number that goes into 7 and 11? Anyone think of anything? No, it's not reducible. Everyone is good with that. So I'm going to do something, and I want you to tell me if it's okay or if it's cheating. Does everyone agree that 7 is 4 plus 3? Yep. And everyone agrees that 11 is 4 plus 7. Is that right? Am I good? So am I allowed to do this?
No.
And say that 7 over 11 is 3 over 7? It's not. That's cheating. And here's why. Because this is so powerful that 4 and the 3 cannot be separated except by another 4 and 3. So let me tell you why I'm saying all this. Watch what happens tonight. If I have x plus 5, let's do this, times 2, right? And I have 3x plus 5. The 2 and the 3 can't do anything. They can't cancel. But this can cancel with this because you can cancel matching married couples. Does that make sense? Is everybody cool with that? So here we go. This is the new thing. Write this one down. We're going to give it a try. You guys got this. Here's the rules now. The rules are this. Step 1, factor if you can. Step 2 is cancel single people with single people, married people with married people. So here we go. Let's talk about that. We're going to look at this top guy. I want to find out if there's a hidden married couple in there that might be kind of hiding. Is there a number that goes into 5 and 20 that I can vacuum out? 5. So here's what I get. 5 on the outside, x plus 4 on the inside. Have I done anything that I've lost anyone? No. On the bottom, I have x plus 4. Can I reduce or simplify this fraction? Yes, because I have married couples that will cancel. The answer is 5. Yeah, the answer is 5. So here's what I want to do. I want to go back now to the goofy Mrs. Tarantino thing. And here's my rule. My rules go like this. Step 1, factor top and bottom if possible. So factor the top and bottom. You may not be able to, but you can always try. Remember, there's 2 types of factoring. There's vacuum factoring and there's X factoring, right? There's 2 types. We're going to be doing both. Then the second step is to cancel, and here's where I love it. Cancel single people with single people, single with single, and cancel married with married. Is that actually what the top stuff says? Yeah, they just say it in a much more, I don't know, fancy way, right? So that's our steps. We're going to factor, we're going to cancel single with single, married with married. Are you ready to try a new one? Here we go. Everybody's ready? Let's get a new thing. Okay. I'd like you to try this one. There you go. So here's your job. Factor the top, factor the bottom, cancel single with single, married with married. And literally, we will do this pretty much every day for the next 2 weeks. This will be part of our thing. The last thing I'll say when you finish your problem, and I'll say, don't forget to simplify. So think about it that you might have a you know, me and Chris Hemsworth, but we might be hiding in there. You have to find us. Husband Chris. You seen that trailer yet? For, what is it? Love and Thunder. Oh,
I'm sorry.
he's got that whole Fabio hair going for him.
The whole thing with Thor's camera. I'm pretty sure that's another universe.
No, that's what's her name?
Jane Foster.
Yeah, but it really is. It's Natalie Portman.
You know, she just show up.
She is. She's in the middle. Huh? What's it like Captain America? She earns it.
It was destroyed.
Oh, wait, hold up. She had cancer.
No, he got it back in the what's it called at the end of, because he took it when he went to
Captain America went back in time and returned it.
not the hammer.
He did. He took the hammer.
It resides in cancer.
Okay, here we go. No, he took the
He took the stones and the hammer.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the 10, and I'm left with x plus 2. Sorry, COVID kids, to listen up. And I'm gonna take out the 15, and I'm left with x plus 2. Now, this is why it's so fulfilling to me. I love me some good canceling. X plus 2 goes with x plus 2. Married guys with married guys. Single guys with single guys. 5 goes in here 2 times. 5 goes in there 3 times. You are done. You are done. You ready to step up our game a little bit? Here we go, my lambs. You guys got this. Okay, I wrote this one down because I want to get it right. Oh, I love this one. Oh, you ready? X squared. Ooh, x squared minus or plus 2x minus 24 over m plus 6.
Oh, wait, you have to, diamond
Diamond problem, X factor. Got X factor. It's a 3-parter. You got couples hiding in there. You might actually have 2, and they're having some kind of weird dinner party. Okay, it's just getting weirder and weirder. Shut up, Jason. Don't judge me. Here's a hint. La la la, factors of negative 24 that make 2 numbers that make negative 24, but when you add them up, make 2. There we go. I think it's gonna be remember, I love canceling. So if you did negative 6, don't think about it. I'm clearly going to put stuff that's going to cancel. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be X. Was that my mistake? I apologize. I know. Don't judge me. It's been a long day.
The variables count.
I know. They do. I fixed it. People are like, what, Miss Tarantino? Nothing matches it. X minus 4 over X plus 6. Hey, look at that. Married couple with married couple. You cannot cancel all the X's. People want to do that, like X, X, X. That's like stealing people's husbands. Awkward and weird. Don't do it. It's bad form. It's bad. So our answer on this one is just X minus 4. X minus 4. You okay? Okay. We got time for 2 more, and then we are done. Okay. Here we go. I love this next one. I have to think about it a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like this one. I gotta look what I want. I'm just thinking. I think that works. That works. This one has a little bit of a trick to it at the very end. A little bit of a trick. I tell you, I don't love fractions, but the canceling, super fulfilling to me. Factors of 18 that subtract to be 7 minus 2. Sorry, I got a little bit of cough there. So here's what I'm looking at. It looks like to me X plus 2 on the top. Can't do anything to that guy. Then I'm going to have X minus 9 and x plus 2. But here's where you got to be careful in this one. This is why this one's weird. We are not allowed just to have fraction bar and then an answer, because the answer is not x minus 9, and it's not bar x minus 9. When I got to put the 1 on top. So just remember, you don't need it on the bottom. It's up to you, but you do need it on the top. If it disappears, you need it on the top. So if you're running out of space, you can do this on your whiteboard desk. This is our last one, and then I will give you the homework for tonight. Did you need to see it? Hold on, I can go back. I am that good on this board. Yeah? No? Stop. Stop. Naughty. Oh. And why do they have an American quicker war? Okay. So here we go. Last one, best one. Let's see if you guys remember how to do this. Ooh, exciting. 3x minus 15 over x squared minus 25. Ooh, spooky. Do you remember how to do the bottom part? It's a two-parter, perfect squares, minus in between, plus minus. Remember how to factor that guy? I swear to God, we've done it literally a million times. See if you remember how to do it. Nice, nice. So I factored the top by using the vacuum, right? X minus 5, but I factored the bottom doing this. Do you remember this? X plus 5, X minus 5. Spooky, right? It's been a long time. Cancel these bad boys out. Answer is 3 on the top, X plus 5 on the bottom. And that's all you do. That is our new stuff for tonight. We're going to add a little bit more to it tomorrow before we keep going on Ratatouille. Goodbye to my COVID friends.